Okay, so we have a school committee. It contains 9 members, of which 2 are from Year 7, 3 are from Year 8 and 4 are from Year 9. A subcommittee of 3 members is to be formed, and it's decided to choose the 3 members at random. Calculate the probability that the submit contains. We have 3 different scenarios here. So we have, first of all, 3 students from Year 9. Okay, so probability 3 from Year 9. So what I want to know first of all is the number of ways that I can pick 3 students from Year 9. There are 4 students in Year 9, so that's going to be picking 4 from 3. So I'm going to have 4 choose 3. That's the ways that we can get the 3 Year 9s. And then it's going to be over the total amount of things that can happen. So I've got 9 members, and I'm choosing 3, so it's going to be 9 choose 3. And then when I work this through on my calculator, we get an answer of 1 over 21. How do we get our marks in this question? Fairly straightforward. Initially, method mark for showing the correct working use of the combinations formula, and then an accuracy mark for giving a correct answer. Remember to leave it as a fraction, that is an exact answer there. Okay, so part B says we want to find the probability of no students from Year 9. Remember that when we get questions like this, that you can make life a little bit easier for you. So we have 4 students from Year 9. No students from Year 8. So we have actually 3 students from Year 8. So what I want to think is, there's 3 Year 8 students, but that means then that of the 9 committee members, 6 of them are not Year 8. And this will make life a lot easier, because otherwise you're trying to think of the combinations of ways that we can pick them from Year 7 and Year 9. So probability no Year 8 is then fairly straightforward, because I want to know the number of ways I can pick 3 students from the 6 non-Year 8s. So it's going to be 6 choose 3 over the number of ways I can pick 3 students from 9, so 9 choose 3. And when I put this into my calculator and work it through, I get a probability of 5 out of 21. Again, the marks on this are fairly straightforward. We get the first method mark for the working using the correct, demonstrating the correct use of the combinations formula, and I get an accuracy mark for a correct answer of 5 over 21. Excellent. So, part C, we want to calculate the probability of 1 student from each year. So probability 1 of each. So what we're thinking here is that this has to be the probability of 1 from Year 8, 1 from Year 7, and 1 from Year 9. So 1 from Year 7, there's 2 students from Year 7, so it's going to be choosing 1 from 2. It's then going to be multiplied because it's from Year 7 and from Year 8 and from Year 9. So then, number of ways I can pick 1 from Year 8 is, there are 3 Year 8 students and I'm choosing 1. And then finally, number of ways I can pick 1 from Year 9. There are 4 Year 9 students and I'm going to pick 1. This, again, just like the other 2, is all over 9 choose 3. Since we're still picking 3 students from a total of 9. When I put this in my calculator and work it through, what we get is a probability of 2 over 7. Okay, so how do we get our marks in this question? Very similar to the other 2. This one's a little bit more sophisticated, so I get a method mark and an accuracy mark for the steps showing how the combinations multiply together when we pick 1 student from each year group. And then finally an accuracy mark for getting that the probability is 2 over 7. Okay, I hope that made sense and that you understood it.